Okay, hello guys, Zaram here. So, as this computer's saying, it's totally impossible. Well, at least, you know, what you would think was impossible. So, if I do a quick list here, you'll see that I have main and startup. Startup's just going to do that. But if we look at main, right, and I run it, you'll see that it shows subscribers and views. Now, these subscribers and views are not like a number that was randomly generated. There is a API that you can access called YouTube API. If you sign up to it, you're able to basically make the API work and display certain bits and bobs for your YouTube channel. So, you'd need two pieces of information to get this to work first. Firstly, you'd need to go to console.developers.youtube or some sort of URL that's similar to that and sign up for the YouTube developers. And then doing that, you'll get an API key if you fill in your credentials, such as your name, why you want to use the API, and stuff like that. You also need your channel ID. Now, to get to your channel ID, you'll want to go to your YouTube channel, if you have one, and you'll want to click your account icon. That'll be on the top right. And then you want to click the little cog thing, and you want to select Advanced Options, and then it will show your channel ID if you scroll down. Now, there is channel and user ID. You definitely want to go for the channel ID because that's going to show you what you've got to do. Or no, it's not going to show you what you've got to do, it's just going to show you the ID, and it's going to show you all your channel stuff. So if we look in main and see what's cooking with this, we can see that there's a lot of stuff going on. First, you can see that we're clearly accessing some sort of YouTube API. So what I do is I make a little variable called HTML, which will get all the methods, functions, and the HTML code for this website. This website will have in it certain things like my channel ID and stuff like that. I'll put a URL in the description so you're able to customize it and stuff like that. In fact, no, better yet, I'll put a pastebin link in the description where you'll be able to edit it and put in your own channel ID and your own API key. So we have some simple string manipulation here, which I've not introduced yet, but I will do eventually. So what happens is the HTML will print off a massive bracket of information. So it could be like simple as hiding subscribers. So you're able to show to the audience how many subscribers you want, or how many subscribers you have or don't have. So yeah, you're able to hide it. There might be other details in there, like video count is one of them, where it shows how many videos you have on your YouTube channel. I have 23. I have 550 views, which is pretty good, ratio-wise. So yeah, I was mostly interested in subscribers and my view count. So in the string that's printed off in the HTML, there is something called subscribers. So I get the subscriber count, and I just basically get rid of little parts that I don't want, and then I print off the final string. I also do the same for my views. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see nowhere am I saying 23 or doing any maths here. I'm quite clearly just using the string API, and I'm just simply using the HTML API. So that's pretty much it. But there's so much stuff that you could do with this. I mean, it's not just restricted to YouTube API. You could get some form of like basically any online API that you can use and initialize and stuff like that. You can use on ComputerCraft, which is at the end of the day pretty cool, because that means that you're able to interact with the outside world websites, which is just crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The Impossible. I'm going to have a pastebin link in the description. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. And I'll see you next time.